Come test drive the 2014 Flex. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, door courtesy lights.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.